Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you how to make techno kick, something like that. And we will make it in Spire. Yeah, it's Spire. We will use basic preset. Sound like that. It's simple and basic. Yeah, and we will make a cool techno kick in Spire. Yeah, first of all, we need to make a sinus instead of saw. Then let's make a phase, something like that, to make particular notes, not with waves or something, just straight. It will sound like a straight sample. Yeah, without any changing. Then we will need this section. It's a saturation, and let's use soft mode and drive something like I don't know, maybe 40%. Yeah. Then we need two oscillators, two envelopes. I mean, two envelopes, envelope 1 and envelope 2. We will need it. We will need them. And let's use here all oscillator pitch. Yeah. And we need a decay parameter. Yeah, and let's change this envelope mode. This will make an attack. Actually, sounds really cool at this moment. Then we need decay and sustain to make shape of this kick. Maybe we don't need I don't know, square kick, and we need something like a release. We can make it here. Then we need a Q section, and let's see. Let's listen to how it changed when we turn on this parameter. And actually we need to make this kick one octave lower. Yeah, something like that. And we have to change this attack parameter to make it more visible, more hearable. Yes, something like that. And let's use 10th channel. We have here a compressor. If you watched my previous videos, you know I'm using Fruity compressor. It's a basic one, and you see all the settings on your screen. Also, I increased something like a high mid-range to make it more hearable, to make it more bright. And let's listen what we have now. Yes, something like that. Then we should turn on the XComp parameter. And you can see the difference between these two kicks. And let's adjust this preset. If we need more attack, we should use decay parameter. We hear really cool and tight attack. Also, we can make this kick really long. It sounds really big, but we don't need it right now. By the way, I added sub bass here, so it sounds like that. And we have a kick, yeah, this one, something like that. As you see, the kick not continues to play here, and the sub bass starts right here. If you want to use sub bass, you can use this this short kick, yeah, something like that. By the way, we can layer this kick. I used Techno kick, by the way, let me show you. I used equalizer and camel crusher without low frequencies, and I used a camel crusher to make it more tight. Yeah, and we can layer this kick. Of course, it's up to you if you want to use this second kick, this layer. It sounds like with a more cooler attack, but it's up to you, of course. And we can use this kick with sub bass or without sub bass. Just make these notes longer. Yeah, but I think it's easier to make this kick in Spire. By the way, if we have maybe a long kick, we can change the key of this kick. And I think it's cool, really easy to make this effect, this kick, I think using Spire. By the way, I'm using, I prefer to use samples, but if you need to make a cool kick, you can use Spire, why not? Yeah. By the way, this something like kind of lesson or something I saw in YouTube, and I leave the link to this video. You can see how other guy made it. I just used his video for inspiration to make this video. I don't know, guys, maybe it will be useful for you. And let me know in the comments what do you think about this kick. Yeah, something like that. Menchi was here. Bye bye, guys.